how can you link a new device into your Signal? So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to link a new device into your Signal, you just simply have to open your Signal application. And after opening the Signal application, you will get to see this profile icon into top left corner. Simply select your profile icon, and after going into there in this section, you will get to see this option of link devices directly. Tap into link devices, and after that you will get this option to link a new device. Just simply tap to link a new device, and after that it will give you this option which says before linking confirm it's you. This is for security purpose. You just simply have to tap to continue, and after that enter your pin code or enter your biometrics, and it will be unlocked. Now you will just simply have to open Signal into another device, then scan the QR code from the other device by using this account. And after scanning the QR code, the account will be loaded into other device which you would like to link, and this way you can very easily link new device into Signal. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.